Welcome all. The topic is phylogenetic systematics. Cladistics is a statistical method used to classify organisms based on their evolutionary history or relationship. It describes the sequence of the branching of ancestral lines. The evolutionary relations between organisms are also termed phylogeny. So, cladistics is also called phylogenetic systematics and it is derived by the scientist Willy Henning. Cladistics is used to determine the clades. Clades are particle groups of organisms that have a common ancestry. Clades are also termed monophyletic groups. Clades can only be determined as they have a single common ancestor, whereas other groups such as polyphyletic and paraphyletic groups cannot be identified with cladistics. Clades include as a whole all the descendants along with their one common ancestor. Next, some important terms in cladistics. First is convergent evolution. Convergent evolution occurs when species occupy similar ecological niches and adapt in similar ways in response to similar selective pressures. Examples of convergent evolution include the relationship between bat and insect wings, shark and dolphin bodies, and vertebrate and cephalod eyes. Next is divergent evolution. It represents the evolutionary pattern in which a species sharing a common ancestry become more distinct due to differential selection pressure, which gradually leads to speciation over an evolutionary time period. Examples include modern elephant and woolly mammoth. Monophyletic group, paraphyletic group, and a polyphyletic group. Monophyletic group is a taxon that consists of a most recent common ancestor and all its descendants. Examples Mammalia, aves, etc. And they are based on synapomorphy. Paraphyletic group is a taxon that consists of a most recent common ancestor and some of its descendants. Example Reptilia. Polyphyletic group is a taxon that consists of unrelated organisms who have from a different recent common ancestor. This group lack a most recent common ancestor. Example bats and birds, and they are based on homoplasy. Next is synapomorphy. The term apomorphy is used to describe any shared trait or character visible between two or more taxonomic groups of organisms. Thus, the term synapomorphy includes those characters that are shared and derived. Example amnions. Symplesiomorphy includes the shared ancestral characters, that is, the characters derived from the initial ancestors. The synapomorphy and symplesiomorphy are types of homology or divergent evolution. Homoplasy includes organisms with those characters which are similar but the organisms have uncommon ancestors, as in the case of convergent evolution. Next topic is cladogram. A cladogram is a diagrammatic representation of the organisms showing how they are arranged as clades based on their point of diversion from a common ancestor and derived or shared characters gradually in the evolution. In this, patterns of relatedness of different characters are illustrated. The points are shown to be ancestors from where the branches originate and are called nodes, whereas the gap or area between two nodes is called the internode. The taxa that have one common ancestor are called sister taxa. This is the diagrammatic representation of cladogram showing branch, node, internode, root, in group, out group, sister group, etc. That's all. Thank you.